Today we're making fried rice and I use one ingredient I bought at home, green color spices, to make this fried rice. It was not bad, but it's not my type. Well, let's dive into the video. You'll be needing a lot of vegetables for this. Yeah, you will need carrot, green peppers, onion, green peas, and corn, which is not rightly here. Here I have ginger, garlic, and habanero pepper, and I will be blending the green pepper mixture inside it. Exactly what you're seeing, I have added it, I'll blend it. This is my natural green mixture. When it comes to making fried rice, I always like to add it, this green mixture, not only because I want it to have a little green color, but also because this taste is authentic. Yeah, if you cook it very well, there is no way this green color bell pepper will thicken your rice. So I've added the onion, pepper, ginger, and I'm adding some seasonings, curry, thyme, seasoning powder inside the chicken that I will be using to cook this fried rice. I will marinate it and set it aside. While it is marinating inside the rice, I will add thyme, curry, and this is the green mixture that I bought. They say it's for fried rice. I add curry, thyme, salt, and the green mixture. I also added the one that I blended earlier. I will pour stock. This stock, I didn't make it today. So I will pour it in and stir the rice to combine and allow it to cook. Our rice for the fried rice is ready and set to be cooked. So I'll just cover it and make sure you don't over pour water in it, because if you do, your rice will go soggy and your fried rice will no longer be one. So at this point, this is how this rice is looking now. I will gently stir it, and I remembered I didn't want to fry this thing today. Yes, the rice is cooked already. I just want to mix them together. I pour the green peas. You can as well fry it or mix it inside your rice. After all, you are going to fry the rice again. So I'll just mix them together. When it's properly combined, I'll turn them out of the pot so that it will stop cooking. Like that, your rice will continue being one scanty. By the way, you are welcome to today's video. If you're tuning in for the first time, I truly appreciate. Thank you so much for coming. Don't forget to turn on your bell notifications so that you always receive notification each time I upload a new video. I truly appreciate your presence and your support in this channel. Thank you so much. And don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up. Yes, thank you so much. All right, I'm going to open this rice in the center so that I will give it space to be releasing the hotness in it. To the pan, I'll pour in some olive oil, and after I heat up, I'll go ahead and add some onions in it. Allow these onions to stir fry for like a minute or so. After that, you go ahead and add some seasonings. You are adding salt, you're adding curry and seasoning powder. This is going to give your fried rice a very delicious taste. When you fry them together like this and pour in your vegetables, you are using this to fry your vegetables because your vegetable are still, it doesn't have any taste. So that is what I'm using it to do. Yeah, I'll go ahead and add the 3 bell peppers. Okay, just continue to fry, and after some time I'll go ahead and add the carrots. I should have added the carrots earlier, immediately after I add the onions, but I didn't because I've already parboiled the carrot just like 1 minute in the microwave with hot water. So I don't want to fry it more than that. So it almost have the same cooking time with the green bell peppers and the red pepper. Yeah, so stir them very well and allow them to fry at least for 2 minutes. And next is to go ahead and add your corn. Yeah, also you should have added the corn, or I should have added the corn with the green pea, but the green pea is already in the rice, so there's no need. I'll add the rice now and go ahead and fry this rice. This rice should take you at least 5 to 7 minutes frying on low heat until you started hearing that noise. Clink, clink, clink. They will be jumping up. You will know that this rice is already fried, because when they are jumping up, they are now becoming like popcorn. That is the reason why you remove your popcorn. Once it's jumping up, you know that the popcorn is ready. So when this rice is jumping up like that, your fried rice is already well fried. Well done, you have fried so well. So frying it for 5 to 7 minutes and seeing that reaction, I will remove the fried rice from the light. And also you have to be turning it or shaking it in the pan like this. Throw it if you know how to throw. If you don't know how to throw, please don't go and throw your rice. So all right, so after frying this one, I will just set it aside, yeah, because it's well fried. Put it in a place where it will not be, you know, there will not be heat in it. Put it in a place where the vapor will be going out. So I did it in my container, the same container, the other one that I used to throw the rice when I finish parboiling it. So here in the pan, I'll be frying the chicken. Yes, I did this the second time because the second rice I will be frying will be without a carrot. I will tell you why. So I'll go ahead and fry this chicken. This chicken has already been marinated. There is no need for me to go ahead putting any ingredients in it. Everything I need is in it. I'm going to pour in the whole chicken there. Yeah, when I pour it there, I will make sure that they are well combined in the oil. Cover it and go my way. This chicken will cook. It will bring out water. And don't touch it. Don't throw it away. Just leave it there and go your way. It will reduce like this. Yeah. Maybe if you see the water on top that it bring out, you will be like, why is there water now? Don't worry. It release it. It will still absorb it. And that is the taste of the chicken. All right. I'm going to take them out, and the second fried rice I will be doing, I will do it without carrots. Hobby came up with this idea. I don't like carrot. I don't want to see it in my food again. Oh, Guinea Guano, why don't you like it? He doesn't just want it. Anyway, Sha, what will I do? Obey the last order. If he say he doesn't want carrot, don't put it in his own. No problem. That's why I fried the first one with carrot, and this second one, I'll be frying it without carrot. So it's the same process. Go in and add the whole veggies and give them a space of time like 2 minutes to fry before you add rice. Yeah, I'll go ahead and add the rice now and fry it very well to combine. So let me know, do you like carrot? Do you want into your fried rice? Yeah, the modern recipe of fried rice required carrots. Of course, carrot. There is one ingredient that is not here, but it's not a must, which is a liver or gizzard. It's not here. There is a lot of choppy inside that rice. Hey, the rice feels mad when you are eating. A lot of crunch. If in fact that day I forgot it. It's not in my agenda because I don't really like using them. It's just because the mother recipe requires it. So if you have your liver or your, what is it called, cocoa, or your your gizzard, you cut it smaller and add it there. So in my own case, what I'm using to do the eko or the gizzard is the chicken. So I have served it, and that big plate is the biggest one that I should use to serve the one that I will eat. So this is the one of hobby, no carrot, and this is mine, there is carrot. So this is how we serve it, and we eat along and enjoy that day. Enjoy your fried rice if you fry it like this, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.